Okay everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to replace your fog lights for your Toyota RAV4. So I'm going to be replacing my fog lights with this new AUTOONE White LED lights. So I used to have a yellow fog lights, but I decided to replace it with this white one. So shout out to my friends at AUTOONE for sending me this LED lights to replace my old one. And also I'll be showing you how easy it is to install. So depending on which side you're guys going to be working on, like me, I'll be working on the passenger side. So I'll be turning my wheel towards the driver's side. So that way I will have an access to remove the screws and clips that holds this panel. So once you remove the screws and the clips, you will now have an access to fold this panel off. So that way you will have an access to the actual fog lights. Once you remove all the screws and the clips, now you can fold this liner a little bit so that way you can reach the actual fog lights from the inside and you will have an easy access to remove it. So you will now have an easy access to reach the actual bulb, so that way you can remove the connector. So there's a pin that you need to press and pull it down. And after you did that, all you got to do is pretty much turn it counterclockwise and pull the bulb out. So this is going to be the new LED light bulb from AUTOONE that we're going to replace it with. So next up is to install the actual LED bulb. Turn it clockwise and plug back in the connector, and you should be good to go. So here I'm going to show you how bright it is with the fog lights on. Then I will turn it back off. Then I will turn it back on again. So in my opinion, it is really bright compared to the original one that came with the vehicle. Alright guys, so make sure to visit AUTOONE LED's website, or you can click the link down below and you can use my discount code PK.Advntures so you can get yourself 50% off your purchase.